A drinks carton is formed by arranging four congruent triangles as shown. QP equals RS equals 4 centimeter. So you have this is QP and that equals RS and that is 4 centimeter. Then you have PR. So PS, so PR, PS, QR and QS, they're all equal and that is 10 centimeter. So they are all 10 while PQ and RS are 4 centimeter. What is the volume in centimeter cube of the carton? Now you see this is all of these triangles are isosceles triangles, and this shape is formed by 4 isosceles triangles. So it is a tetrahedron, but it is an isosceles tetrahedron, if I may say that. So I'll just write it down. It's an isosceles tetrahedron. It's not a normal tetrahedron where all sides are equal, not a regular tetrahedron which are formed by equilateral triangles. So because this is an isosceles tetrahedron, it is a bit difficult to find the volume straight away. So I have a formula and I'm going to use that to find this volume. So that formula is given by, so if I write down B, it is given by, so you have the denominator as 72 and the numerator will be, it assumes that the three sides A, B, C are the side lengths. So sides in our case, side A is 10, side B is 10 and side C is 4. Okay, so in the formula goes like this. You have A square plus B square minus C square multiplied by A square plus C square minus B square, and that is multiplied by B square plus C square minus A square. And we will just plug in the values here. So what we would get is A square, so A is 100, A is 10, sorry, so A square would be 100. So we'd get 100 plus 100 minus 16 and times 100 plus 16 minus 100 and times 100 plus 16 minus 100. And so the hundreds would cancel out in the second and third brackets, and we are left with, so 200 minus 16 is 184. So 184 multiplied by 16 and multiplied by 16 and divided by 72. So we can cancel these now. So 4 times, we can say 4 is 16 and 4 times 18 is 72. And then again 2 times 9 is 18 and 2 times 2 is 4. So that way we can bring the 16 and the 9 outside the square root as 4 out of 3, and then we are left with under the square root you would have 184 multiplied by 2. So then I can also write this as 4 out of 3 under the square root we got 2 is there, and then you could divide it by 4, or we'll try 4. So we can try 4 times, or 2, let's do the 2 again, so it's easier. 2 times 9 is 18, 2 times 2 is 4, so that would give us 8 out of 3, not 8, sorry, There's 1 2 here always, so there'll be another 2. So then it would be 4 times 2 divided by 3, square root of 92. That is 8 out of 3, square root of 92. So I'm going to write here 8 out of 3, square root of 92. And the square root of 92 can be written as, again, if I do a divide by 2, I'd get 2 times, or divide by 4, again divided by 4, so I'd get 4 times 2 is 8 and 1 9, 4 times 3 is 12, so I can get that is 8 out of 3 square root of 4 times 23, so that would be equal to 8 times 2 out of 3 square root of 23, or the answer is 16 out of 3 square root of 23, and that is the volume. So the volume of the carton in centimeter cube would be equal to 16 out of 3 square root of 23.